How to promote Displate poster. Really easy and simple. I usually use, Pinterest and Instagram because they are basically organic. For example, let's do this one. In Pinterest, we have this description, poster link added. Someone can come here, click on more options, click on visit site, and they'll be redirected to the Displate website, right? And this is how you do it. You go ahead to Pinterest, click on create. Okay, you can drag and drop a file or use the browse feature, and then just drag and drop the image you would like to post and advertise. Come here on Display, right? And when you're uploading the file, you usually get a recommended title using their AI feature. You can go ahead and use that title. You can use their description as well. But just here, make sure you add link for poster added, something like that, so people know what to look for. Then you can go ahead and add a description as well. You can use this for keywords, right? I'll add that as well. Then go ahead and get a link for your specific poster. Let's say that one was uploaded right there. And go ahead and add this link. Choose your board, for example, cute animals. You can use your tagged topics as maybe panda, bamboo, right? Or baby panda. Go ahead and add that. You can add more tags if you would like. Then once you're happy with it, just come here and click on publish. Okay, let's go ahead and view this. And as you can see, this will reach certain people. They'll come here and click on visit site, and they'll be able to access the display. And you do the same thing for Instagram. Just come here and you want to go ahead and post a new post. So let's do this. I will drag and drop right here. Go ahead and resize this. Right, you can go ahead and do that as well. You can do original image. Go ahead and press on next. You can choose filters if you'd like, but I would not like to get into that. So all you need to do now is write a nice description, right? Come here, choose cute panda portrait, and then add the link. For example, this one. Just add that. Let's say that was your poster. Go ahead and get the description there. That would help with keywords. Then just go ahead and post this on your Instagram. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.